Kunal's parents are cousins. So is this the reason for his disability? We have heard a lot of stories saying there should be generation gaps, cousins shouldn't be married. Hello friends, welcome back to Signature Turned Autograph. I am Aaron Dias, founder and CEO of Signature Turned Autograph, MC by hobby and student by profession. So let's start with today's video. This is part 2 of Kunal's story. If you all missed part 1, you all can watch it after this video. In this part, I will cover some common questions, few unknown secrets of Kunal, and the main question: can Kunal's muscle dystrophy be cured? Kunal's parents are cousins. So is this the reason for his disability? We have heard a lot of stories saying there should be generation gaps, cousins shouldn't be marrying, and so on. The answer will be no. Kunal's parents are cousins. This is not the cause. Kunal's other relatives are married within the family, but their kids are normal. Kunal being on wheelchair, how he became a broker? In 12th standard, one of his friends wanted to sell his house and thus asked Kunal for help. Kunal contacted all his known people, but somehow the house was sold through other party. But from that day on, all those who wanted to purchase properties started contacting Kunal, and thus he became an accidental broker. Kunal wants to tell his fellow disabled friends to take the basic education, try to explore the nature, get involved in businesses, and if they need any help, be it financially, Kunal is ready to help them. Kunal has also featured on Chef Randir Bhar's show Living Food in their Goa episode. You can also see him interacting with other famous personalities like Arvind Kejriwal, Leander Pace, and so on. Kunal loves photography, partying with friends. From 2016 till date, Kunal has attended all Sunburn festivals in Goa. Kunal is also a social worker, and during the Kerala floods, he and his friends raised 30,000 on their own. Can Kunal's muscle dystrophy be cured? If we can write for non-stop 10 minutes, Kunal has to take breaks after 2 minutes of writing. If he now puts pressure on his muscles to perform normally, it generates pain. So Kunal is happy with what he can do and is not forcing himself for anything extra. Here is a small clip on muscle dystrophy.
There are more than 50 forms, but not one cure-all treatment for the disease that causes progressive muscle weakness. Patients lose strength in their limbs, core, even their heart and breathing function suffers. For decades, doctors have been searching for a way to stop the damage. Now, local researchers hope a lucky discovery in the lab will lead to better function for patients.
What we can learn from Kunal's story? Do we live our life fully like Kunal? Do we feel we have something less from others? Are we thankful for all that we have? Let's be thankful for all that we have and let's live our life fully. So this was the story of Krunal Thakur. You can also check out my other videos like the story of Dominic D'Souza, first Goan HIV patient, Dr. Pramod Sawant, current CM of Goa, and so on. Do you know anyone who has worked hard to achieve success? Or who is working for the betterment of society? Or do you have any love story to share like Nitesh Prajapat and Dimple Palmer? Or would you like to say thank you to your closed ones for all their efforts? Then you are free to contact us. आमचे कुडीक सोबार सांदे आसात, पूण सगळे सांदे तेच काम करिनात. देव बरें करूं. Kunal